Hi, my name is Lex Williford. Here's a little overview of how to use Adobe Acrobat, the free Adobe Acrobat Reader, to make comments on documents that we will be workshopping in class. First of all, you will receive a link from me that you can click on, and you will be able to open a file directly from Adobe Acrobat Reader and be able to use comments of all sorts. In Adobe Acrobat Reader, you have some opportunities to change the commenting tools. I'm just going to go through those fairly quickly here. The main one I would recommend that you use is the sticky note tool. You can also use the highlight tool and the text tool. I'm not a big fan of the stamps tool unless I'm signing a document. You don't need to attach a file or record a video or audio. You do not need to insert text or replace text and strike through, underline. So most of these are ones that I would not recommend, but some people like to use the oval, the rectangle, the cloud, or the polygon, or if they wish, they may also use the drawing tool, which I use a great deal because I have an iPad Pro and make comments directly on the documents themselves. Once you've chosen the tools that you wish to use, if they're not already showing up, you can click on this icon here or on the Tools menu and then Comment. And then you can use the tools that I am recommending. For example, if I want to leave a note, I use the call out tool and I leave a note as I show here. If I wish to highlight something that I need to make a note about, I can do that and another box comes up and I can add another note. If I wish to use the underline, it's the same thing. And once again, I add a note. One of the disadvantages of using the highlight and the underline tools is that it prevents others from being able to make those same choices about what to mark in a document. So anyway, as I was saying before, if you wish to use this tool and you have the ability to write, you can go ahead and do it this way, as I will be doing on my iPad Pro. Beyond that, there's really not a whole lot that you need to do. Once you have made your comments, it's a good idea to click on Close, and then your document should be showing the comments that you have made online. The document itself will not be available to you on your computer unless you download it. And that's something that we can discuss in class. I hope that's a big help. Thank you.